How to start a blog on Blogger, a tutorial for beginners. Hi guys! So here, before we get started, let me introduce to you a web platform which is called Blogger. So if you're planning to start your own blog page, then this is the web page for you. So whether or not you're going to make a travel blog, or if you're going to make a literary blog and whatnot, then you can actually make use of this one. With blogger.com, it's very easy and simple to use and also for free. So here is our Blogger webpage. So a lot of people have joined this platform, and that includes me as well. So I have been using Blogger for a very long time, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually use the platform. So let's start with create your blog. So when you click on create your blog, basically it will route you to a sign in. So what you need to have is just your Google sign in. So there, if you have signed into your Google account, then basically you're good to go and you can actually start creating your own blogs. Now let me show you once you have signed into your blog post, this is how it will look like. So here in this section, you will actually see all the posts that you have published. So there. And then when you click on stats, this is the section where you can actually see the statistics, how many people have viewed that specific article that you have published and whatnot. So as you can see there, there's the date and how many people have viewed and commented on that specific blog post. Also, how many people have visited your website basically. Next, here in the comment section, you can actually see all the comments that were written by people who have read your blogs and whatnot. With blog posts, you can actually earn money as well. How? So you just need to create a new AdSense account. So you can start earning from ads by creating an AdSense account. When you set up AdSense account, they will automatically place ads for you in all the best places, basically. And you can actually check all the frequently asked questions here below if you do want to know more about the earning here in blog post. You could also create pages onto your blog, so you just need to add one and manage them. There for the layout, so say for example you would like to change the settings or like the header type or disable some widgets, then you could actually add, remove, and edit the gadgets on your blog by going to the layout section basically. So there, if you want to enable your ads, then you can actually do that as well. Alright, now what we are going to do next is that we are going to go to our theme section. But before that, let me show you like an example first. Here in the header section, say for example you want to edit this one. So here you can actually add your blog title if you want to have a blog description. So you can turn this off. If you don't want to see or let the viewer see your header, then you can disable that one by clicking on the blue button or disable button above. There, you could also put some images by uploading it, or you could also use a URL. Okay, now let's exit from this section first and let's move on to the next part. So here in the theme section, you can actually choose a theme that you would like to add onto your blog. So basically, make sure that your blog theme coincides with what kind of blog you would want to post. So say for example, if you want to have a travel blog, then you need to have an outline or a theme that coincides with traveling as well. So there, here in the settings section, you can actually see the title, the blog description, language, privacy, publishing, and the likes. Here for the permissions, posts, and commenting. So there, you can actually set the settings depending on your liking. So you can actually make your blogs as well private, or if you don't want people commenting on it, then you could actually do that as well. So here under reading list, you can actually see, you know, other bloggers who actually created their own blog posts or their own blogs in this platform. And by then, you can actually like share your insights and see your thoughts on how to create or make your blogs better as well. So if you want to create a new blog, just click on the new post in the left hand side. And there, basically, it just looks like a Microsoft Word. And then you just need to input your article here. Here, you just need to input your title. And then here, you actually have a menu bar. You can redo, undo, change the font size, the font style, make it bold, italicize your words, and whatnot. So when you edit your blogs, basically it's just the same thing as you do in Microsoft Office, or if you're using like my Word, then yeah, it's basically just the same as that one. Okay, here in the left hand side, you can actually see your post settings as well. So you can change the location, the options. Here you can actually see under options whether or not if you want your readers to allow commenting or not allow, or yeah, hide existing as well. So here, if you click on preview, basically you will see how it looks like before you get to publish it. Okay, now here I'm going to show you an example of a post that I have created a little while ago already. So this has been created on the last year, and then afterwards this is how it looks like basically if we want to edit this section. So you can actually add photos, and when you preview it, this is how your blog would look like. I just made use of a template that is very basic. Didn't really edit a lot of this one since I just want to have a simple edit, and this is a literary blog post basically. So I just share my thoughts, my insights, my poems in blogpost.com. There. Now when we click on back, you can actually go here below and you can see your blog page by clicking on view blog, and this is how your page looks like basically. So basically in my blog post, you can actually post a comment. If you click on read more, then you will see the entire article that was created by the writer or the blogger there, and there you have it. Now if you want to make and tweak some things right here, so say for example you don't want to show the date when it was created, then you can actually disable that one by let me show that to you in a while. So here we are going to go to our layout section in the left hand side of our panel. So our left hand panel is a very important part when it comes to editing, creating, and you know, monetizing our blog posts. So there in our layout section, you can actually see your blog post right here. You just need to click on the pencil icon to edit. So here, for instance, I don't want the date to be shown. What I'm going to do is I'm going to disable the date. Okay, so let's see here. So show published time, let's disable this one, and instead I'm going to show the author. And here in the author name, you just need to input the name you would like to be called. So say for example, Moonstar. And there you have it. Now we only have a limit of 5 comments, and there. Alright, so once all good, let's save this one. And then after that, you can actually go to your header section if you want to edit that one. And you know, here you could also add a gadget in your sidebar. So I don't want actually to see the about me section, so I'm just gonna disable the widget for the about me section. Okay, there you have it. And basically that's about it. So I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. and you would be able to start your blogging journey here at blogger.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Bye!